Hello my dear students and friends. Welcome to Eloquent English classes and I'm Jyoti. Dear students, today we shall study the adjective. But before that, I would like to read out something for you. So let's get started. Yesterday our family friends visited us after 20 years. It took us some time to recognize them. They had changed a lot. Priya, my friend, who used to be plump and overweight, has now become a slim, beautiful young woman. Shubham, her husband, who used to be a tall and handsome gentleman, has grown a pot belly. Kavin, her son, who was hardly 5 at that time, has now grown a smart young man. Kavya, their daughter, has grown a very pretty and attractive. We were very happy to see them after a long time. So, my dear students, have you noticed something in this paragraph? Yes, let me tell you. I have underlined some of the words: 20, plump, overweight, slim, beautiful, young, tall, handsome gentleman, pot belly, 5, smart, young man, pretty, attractive. What do you guess these are? Actually, these are the qualities of person. They are describing these people, isn't it? So, adjectives are the words which describe the nouns or pronouns. So, let's study the adjectives in detail. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, emphasizing adjectives, and exclamatory adjectives. These are 7 kinds of adjectives. Let's take them one by one. Adjectives of quality. The adjectives of quality describe the kind or quality of a person or thing. We have to ask a question of what kind, and the answer to this is a what? Is an adjective of quality. Let's understand this with the help of examples. Whale is a large mammal. What kind of a mammal is whale? It's a large mammal. So we have asked a question, what kind of? And the answer is large. So this is an adjective of quality. Nana is a beautiful girl. What kind of a girl is Nana? She is a beautiful girl. And this beautiful is an adjective of quality. She is an intelligent girl. Intelligent, again, a quality of a girl. A cool breeze is blowing from the sea. Now, cool. What is the quality of a breeze is? It is cool. So, again, this is adjective of quality. Mangoes are sweet and sour. What kind of mangoes are these? Some are sweet and some are sour. Now, adjectives can be of many kinds. So, like we can describe the shape of things like round, square, circular, triangular, etc. Then we can also describe somebody's size, long, short, narrow, thin, thick. Then color also, red, blue, green, yellow, pink, etc. Then taste also can be described like it's sweet, sour, bitter, etc. Then condition also like weak, good, bad, dirty, poor. And then behavior also like kind, gentle, cruel. Then feeling like hard, cold, hot, smooth. So these are all adjectives. Now general expressions like beautiful, pleasant, great, lovely, super. These are the words. These are all the words we can use to describe something or somebody. That is why they are called adjectives. Now, second kind is adjectives of quantity. That was adjectives of quality, telling quality of some person or a thing. Now these are adjectives of quantity. Quantity means adjectives of quantity show how much of a thing is meant. How much, not what kind, how much. He did not eat enough food. How much? Not enough. Enough. Kavita has nothing to eat. How much? Nothing. She has hardly any money. How much? Hardly any money. He has made many mistakes. How much? Many. The whole crop was spoiled. How much? Whole. There is a little water in the jug. How much water? Little. So these are the adjectives of quantity. Now adjectives of number. Number you know, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Adjectives of number show how many persons or things are meant. For example, they are 2 brothers and 3 sisters. The number here is how many? 2, 3. There are no wall hangings in this room. So how many? No. No wall hanging. We have some mangoes in the basket. How many? Some. So we have to ask a question, how many? Mridul stood first in the class. First. Number. Most of the students are absent today. How many? Most. So these are adjectives of number. Number is there. So number is there. Direct or indirect. Adjectives of number can be further classified into 3. Definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, and distributive numeral adjectives. Let's study them in detail. Definite numeral adjectives. Definite, you know, what is definite? We know about it. Definite. Like definite numeral adjectives denote exact number. They denote exact number like 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are called cardinals. And first, second, third, these are positions. They are called ordinals. Indefinite numeral adjectives. Now second kind is indefinite numeral adjectives. Definite we have known, exact number. Now indefinite means all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several. It's not definite, isn't it? Then distributive numeral adjective. Distributive means each, every, either, neither, every. These are distributive numeral adjectives. Now demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. They point out which person or a thing is talked about or meant. Let us understand this with the help of examples. This player is better than Aman. This, pointing. That boy is hardworking. Which boy? That boy. Those culprits must be punished. Which culprits? Those. I dislike such things. What kind of things? Such things. They point out something. I can't forget that incident. Which incident? That. Those parrots are flying. Which parrots are flying? Those. Now another is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative, questions. When what, which, and whose are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Let's understand how. Which house is yours? Interrogative question. Which house is yours? Do you know whose umbrella this is? Whose? Which sweet dish would you like to have after dinner? You want to have a sweet dish, but which one? This is adjective. Which dress would suit her? Now here also, which. Whose toy is this? Whose? Toy is there, but whose? So these are all again adjective, interrogative adjectives. Emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing means stress, to give stress to something. These adjectives emphasize a noun or a pronoun. Words like own and very are used here. The words like own, O-W-N, and then very. These are used here to emphasize, to stress something, to give emphasis to something. This is his own house. Own. Mind your own business. This is the very pen I was looking for. Very pen. Emphasizing it. This is the very house he lived in. Very house. That very house. Again it is emphasized here. Now the next one is exclamatory adjectives. Exclamatory adjectives means the word what is sometimes used to show emotion. What word is sometimes used to show emotion? So it is used with noun when we are surprised about something. Means we use word what to show surprise. For example, what a beautiful hill station it is. Now, what a beautiful. What kind of a hill station is? It's beautiful. What a beautiful hill station it is. Now here, what is adjective here? It is used to show our surprise. What a work of art it is. What a pretty girl she is. What an idea. What a disciplined class it is. So these are all exclamatory adjectives. So thank you very much, my dear students. And if you have understood and liked it, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.